I'm going to do a review video of this hay spear. It's from LANDTOP. They have a website, landtopmall.com, I believe is the website, and also a YouTube channel titled LANDTOP Mall. I'll put links to those in the description if any of you want to check them out. But they carry trailer movers, hay spears, pallet forks, a lot of different 3-point and quick attach style attachments for tractors. I hadn't heard of the company until they reached out to me. They asked me what if I'd be interested in doing a review video on any of their products. I selected the hay spear and a set of pallet forks, and they said that they would send me the hay spear. If the hay spear review video went over good, they would send me a set of pallet forks, which I have pallet forks, but I also have a grapple attachment on the set I have, and it'd be kind of nice to have a set of just regular pallet forks. It's easier to adjust. I've kind of bent mine and can't close them up, so that's irrelevant to this video. But anyways, hay spear. It's something I can use a lot. The trailer mover part I can also use, which I have a couple trailer movers. Biggest thing I wanted it for was for the hay spear aspect. I used this spear the other day to gather up all the hay that I had baled, and I'll be using it a lot more in the future. The spear itself right here, the bale spike, is a 2,000 pound rated spear. The trailer mover has a place for a gooseneck ball, but there's a little thing there. They sent an 1 7/8" ball. I contacted the company. They said that they told me, anyways, that they would have that looked into. I told them they needed to accommodate a 2 5/16" ball if they was going to use this as a gooseneck trailer mover, and send a 2 5/16" with orders that get shipped out, because I don't know of any gooseneck trailer that's got an 1 7/8" ball. And they replied back and said that they would pass that information along, so hopefully that'll be corrected. But it's got a 2-inch receiver down here. Pretty well made. Little trailer mover, bale mover. Got good gusseting in here. I mean, I feel like this would stand up to anything up, probably from, up to a 50 horsepower tractor. When you get a little over 50 horsepower, especially with the 4-wheel drive, if you're using this, sometimes pull very heavy trailers. I don't know. I've not had it long enough to know how it would hold up. But it would take a lot to tear it up, I guess I'll put it that way. But it may not be strong enough for, 75, 80 horsepower and up tractors if you got to be a little rough with it. Abusive, I guess. Which I've been known to do, using on to pull logs and that type of thing, which that's not what it's designed to. It's worked very well moving the hay. It's easy to attach. It's just, your common 3-point hitch attachment. Would it hook to a quick hitch? I have no idea. I don't have a quick hitch to know, and I don't really ever plan to have one. But it's like a $219 hay spear right now. It's discounted a little bit. You can use the code I'll leave in the description to get another $10 off if you're interested in one of these. I feel like it would be perfect for anything up to probably a 5x5 roll of hay. Definitely up to a 4x5. 4x4s and 4x5s would work perfectly. But easy to put together. Comes shipped in one package. You just have to put the lower pins and your bell spikes and stuff in. Simple to do. Just got little jam nuts there that goes into a slot in these lower spikes. And then you got a big nut that tightens this one into the collar. Like I said, I've used it. I feel confident in it, especially moving the 4x4 rolls of hay. And I bale some 4x5s. I see no issue with that. I'll include some video clips of this being in action. And check out their website, LANDTOP Mall. And see if there's anything you'd be interested in. If you order anything, use the link that I give you. Will help me maybe get future products to try. I know some people get aggravated at these product review videos, but if a company emails me and says they're going to be willing to send me something that I can use, it's kind of hard to say no. I really appreciate them doing this myself. It's something that I've needed, an extra hay spear, and it's going to work out well for me. So hopefully, if any of y'all are interested, you can check them out, and maybe we can get something else to review from them in the future. Give you a little closer look. I guess that's about 1/4 inch there where that hooks up. It's braced with a little gusset in there and things. I'd say that would stand most applications. 3/8 if I was recommending anything, 3/8 would be better for them. You know, where the 3-point hitch pins hook up. But pretty good looking machine. The bell spikes are real good quality. I really like the way the bell spikes are made. Another thing, they also sent me a couple hats. Sent me this little 12-volt fan, which I'm going to be putting that on the tractor. It's got a USB adapter. I just need to get me one of those 12-volt to USB things to where I can put a 12-volt plug in the tractor and then plug that up to it. They sent some safety decal stickers and things here I've got hanging on the door. They're not sticking too good on this insulation. I'm going to have to get some packaging tape and tape them up there, I guess. But I'll throw them video clips in of using the hay spear to carry in my hay this week. And hope everybody's doing good. We're going to start cutting some hay again this week. Probably on Tuesday is my plan. And hopefully things go well. May get some bad storms today, they're saying. This is Sunday. The 20-something. 6th, 5th, 26th maybe. Landon graduated on Friday from high school. So we only got one more left in high school. Clayton, he'll graduate next year. Kind of hard to believe. But time flies. Time flies. But anyways, hope y'all have a good Memorial Day coming up. This video will probably come out on Memorial Day morning. And just remember what the holiday's about. And the people that it honors. It's not always, you know, you hear Happy Memorial Day, but Memorial Day is not a happy day for a lot of people. It might be a day off work from some, but my family, you know, Tiffany and the 3 boys, Tiffany's first husband, Jason, he was killed in Afghanistan, and the boys was all very, very young when he passed away, and, you know, they lost a dad, and I'm thankful that I found them and became part of their lives later, you know, about a year and a half or so later, but they went through some tough times, and just, I didn't fully respect Memorial Day like I should have until I met this family, and they became my family. It changed me and my outlook on things. So if you know any family that's lost service members in the line of duty, reach out to them and give them a special thank you, and do something a little special for them on Memorial Day when you can. But we'll talk to you later.